Hi, and welcome to the Build, Restore, Repair channel. In this episode, we will show you how to quickly assemble a gaming office chair. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the main box are the following items: the backrest, the seat, the base, the leg support, the armrests, and a box of accessories. Inside the accessories box, we will find the seat adjuster, some screws, the backrest bracket, the hydraulic seat posts, and the caster wheels. Now let's follow the instructions to assemble the chair. Step 1. Turn the seat cushion upside down. Align the seat adjuster mechanism to the holes at the bottom and then screw them down tightly. Step 2. Secure the backrest bracket to the backrest. Align the bracket to the holes and then screw them down tightly. Step 3. Insert the caster wheels to the metal chair base. Step 4. Insert the hydraulic seat post into the middle of the metal chair base. Step 5. Place the seat cushion on the hydraulic post. Step 6. Insert the backrest bracket into the hole located at the seat adjuster mechanism, then tighten the screw. Step 7. Install the armrest by screwing them to the holes located at the side of the backrest and the seat cushion. Step 8. Insert the leg support into the bracket located under the seat cushion. And finally, the assembly is finished. There are two adjusting levers at the bottom of the seat. The first one will adjust the height of the seat and the other one will adjust the angle of the backrest. This gaming chair also has a very special massage function. On the side of the backrest, there are two buttons with a USB cable attached. The USB cable can be plugged into any USB power source, but for this example, I'll be plugging it into my portable battery pack. When powered, the red button will turn on the back massager and the green one will change the massager's different modes. Now let's test this chair out. Not bad at all. I can definitely relax and enjoy this chair because of its comfortable support and cushion. Time to work and play some games. What do you think? Comment your thoughts down below. I would love to hear from you. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next Build, Restore, Repair episode.